Good morning, dear scholarites. Today in GK, our topic is festivals. A festival is an event celebrated by a community and centering on some characteristics, aspects of that community and its religion or culture. It is often marked as a local or national holiday. The festivals are divided into two categories: national festivals, religious festivals. There are only three national festivals celebrated in India. So, now we are going to talk about national festivals. The first national festival is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January. It is celebrated every year in India. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect and our country became a republic nation. The next one is Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15 August. It is celebrated annually on this day. On this day, in 1947, our country became an independent and free from the rule of Britishers. The third is Gandhi Jayanti. It is an event celebrated in India to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi ji. It is celebrated annually on 2nd October. Now we are going to study about the religious festivals. As we know, India is a land of various culture and tradition. There are many religious festivals that are celebrated in the nation. The first one is Diwali. It is a spectacular festival celebrated in the India. It is a festival of lights. The celebration is marked by people decorating their homes with candles, earthen lamps and lights. It's celebrated on a new moon night. It commemorates Lord Rama's return with his wife after 14 years of exile and his triumph over Ravana. Diwali symbolizes the ultimate victory of good over evil. The next one is Holi. It is another noteworthy name in the list of festivals of India. It is called Festivals of Colors. It signifies the arrival of spring. It is celebrated all over the country with a lot of enthusiasm. Then is the Dussehra. It marks the end of Navratri as well as Durga Puja. It is known as Vijayadashmi in Indian festival calendar. It is celebrated to commemorate the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana. Others consider it goddess Durga's triumph over Mahishasura. Then is the festival Eid. Eid ul-Fitr. It is a major religious festival of Muslim community. Sweet sevaiya, a dish, is prepared on this festival. Mosques and markets are decorated. People pray in the mosque on this day. This is a sweet sevaiya dish that is specially prepared on Eid. Then is the Christmas. It marks the birth of Jesus Christ. The churches are decorated in beautiful manner. On this day, Santa is supposed to distribute gifts in small children's. Christmas trees are common sight everywhere on Christmas. Thanks for watching, students. I am sending few questions along with the video. Watch video carefully and do the question answers in your notebook. Thank you.